Oh, and who's coming to see you today?
Papa.
Papa? Who else is coming?
Nina.
Granny. What about Maddie? Is cousin Maddie coming? Can you say Maddie?
Mommy.
What about Aunt Lori? Is Lori coming? Can you say Lori?
Yeah. Mima.
No, Grandma's not coming for a couple more weeks. How about Uncle Chris? Is Chris coming? Can you say Chris?
Mima.
Have to wait for Mimo, but
What are you having for breakfast? What's in your bowl?
Shake.
What's in there?
Boo.
Blueberries. What else? Can you show me your blueberry? No, you're just gonna eat it. Do you have strawberries? You looking for one? You have strawberries? Can you show me one? Good job. Is that yum? It's a big.